Greetings music makers, I'm Dr. Chiari, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record a 3-part multitrack on the Acapella app using Sesere Eeye, a traditional Torres Straits Island song.
Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate.
If you would like to learn how to edit and publish a song, or how to collaborate on the Acapella app, the links are down below. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe if you want to receive more videos that teach you how to become a better music maker online. Ring that bell if you want notifications whenever I post a new video. And fist bump that like button for the algorithm so that YouTube will recommend my videos for other people who are looking to become better music makers. So without further ado, let's get ready to learn. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Acapella app. And the acapella icon in the bottom and center is what you're going to click to get started. Then you're going to click Record New and choose Classic. You can decide on the ratio. We're going to do a 16:9, and because you can pick any of these, but because the song I'm going to work with is a 3-part, we're going to pick one that has 3 in it. And I like this one. If you have the free version, you'll have either 15 or 30 seconds available, sometimes 1 minute. And so we're going to click with 30 seconds. And you'll get the 3 icons right there. To get started, you're going to click on one of the panels. And so we'll click on the middle one first. And that's our solo. Go ahead and click record. It'll count you down, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you'll be able to record your first track. Ready and Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Push stop record, and then continue. Then it will load, and you can listen to it.
Ready and Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate.
If you like it, you push the check mark in the top right, and it'll render. And while you're waiting, you imagine all the cool things you get to sing. Alright, now I'm going to add a second part, so I'm going to click on the left box. And what'll happen is it'll count down, and the middle box will be kind of an anchor for me so I know when to start.
Ready and
Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Again, if I liked it, I'll click continue. If I didn't, I'll redo it. And it will play for me.
Ready and Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate.
I liked it, so I'm going to click OK. And it'll render again. And finally, I'm going to click on the right one to add my last part.
Ready and
Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Again, click continue. It'll show me what it sounds like.
Ready and Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate. Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na ropate.
I like it, so I'll click OK, and it'll render. Now maybe I don't want the conductor in there, so I'm going to re-record that, and sometimes it takes a few tries to start at the right time, but let's see how this works. I'll click the middle one to redo it. Hi. And then I'll push record.
Sesere Eeye, Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na rupate. Sesere Eeye, Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na rupate.
Let's hear how it sounds.
Sesere Eeye, Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na rupate. Sesere Eeye, Sesere Eeye, nari nahi na rupate.
And click OK. Well, I hope that video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Comment down below with the one thing that you thought was most helpful, and don't forget to share any music that you created as a result of this video down below, because we want to see the music that you made. See you next time.